The International Monetary Fund chief said Thursday that the organization will revise down its global growth forecast amid the Russia-Ukraine conflict, the impact of which will contribute to downgrades for 143 economies this year. The IMF chief Kristalina Georgieva noted that the economic consequences from the Russia-Ukraine conflict spread fast and far, hitting hardest the world's most vulnerable people. She said, the conflict has pushed up energy and food prices and exacerbated inflation, hurting hundreds of millions of families, who were already struggling with lower incomes and higher prices, and threatening to further increase inequality. In an update to its World Economic Outlook report released in January, the IMF already cut 2022 global growth forecast by 0.5 percentage point to 4.4% amid Omicron surge, as economies grapple with supply disruptions, higher inflation, record debt and persistent uncertainty.